Today, we received reports from all the chairmen of the 36 states of the Federation, and all the motions for adoption were received. Let me seize this opportunity to thank all of you on behalf of our leader, who also happened to be the leader of our growth in Kano, as well as on behalf of the good people of Kano State, and by extension members of our great party from Kano. Let me say, appreciate all of you for your contributions, for your support, for your prayers, especially during the litigations period where we went up to the Supreme Court, and where by the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, we were affirmed as the legitimately elected governor of Kano State. I'm sure this couldn't have been possible without your support and praise. So on behalf of the good people of Kano State, I thank you so much. Let me equally say that the Kano State government under my leadership have not forgotten you or your contributions. Being the only state under the leadership of the party, I want to assure you that we are all partners in progress. We will work together. We will continue to support you in whichever way we can, so that together we continue to support our party and support our members wherever they are. Let me say that since we were elected, we were faced with this challenge of litigation, which took most of our time, especially 8 months were wasted by those enemies of progress. Now that we are confident, we are settled, we will move forward by the grace of Allah to ensure that we continue in the provision of dividend of democracy to the people of Kano State, and by extension, all of you and the good people of Nigeria. As we are preparing for tomorrow's National Convention, let me say that we should all rededicate ourselves to the service of our party. There is no issue of 90 or 99% loyalty. It has to be 100% loyalty to the party, and of course to the leader of the movement or the party, His Excellency Senator Rabiu Musa Kwankwaso. The sky is the limit of our great party, and by the grace of Allah, we continue to pray for all of us and for the nation at large. Let me conclude my remarks by thanking you against all more for finding time to attend this very great occasion. We look forward to seeing you by tomorrow at the convention arena. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.